strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so every night I dream it, I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you need me.
Ball is the tattered clothing made of rewoven fabric or many patches repaired together by mending over and over again. During the Edo to Meiji period, traditionally ball were worn by peasants. Silk was restricted to the more privileged class only, and the farmers had only limited access to hemp and cotton fabric. Depending on the region they were in, some material they were able to grow and other they had to acquire through trade. Materials were scarce at that time, so farmers could only use what came available to them. Often they would collect scrap fabric and use them for patching and repair work for worn-out clothing and textile. The garment that they used would then be repaired, recycled, and reused over and over. It would then be passed down to the next generation. The unintentional necessity had created the wonderful textile aesthetic out of ball.